You love chin-chin, but you don't know how to make it in a healthy way. Oh yeah, carry your bag, carry your popcorn, come here. Let me show you how you can make your healthy and lovely chin-chin without regrets. Una, what's up, girl? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, let's make some oats and healthy chin-chin. We have our oats here, okay? Now go in with some in your blender and blend until it is smooth. Let's make our oats. Let's turn it into powdered form before we continue. If today is your first time coming across this channel, thank you so much. Please do well to support us, subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment, and also turn on your notification bell for more amazing and healthy recipes. So guys, we are done. Now transfer the powdered oats into a bowl, just the way you are seeing here on the screen. I went in with some butter, little but not much. So I added in 2 eggs. Now add in my baking powder. I added some powdered milk. Guys, this powdered milk is what? Optional. It's not a must that you will add it. You can as well replace your butter with coconut oil or olive oil, okay? So it depends on what or how you want it. So over here I added some condensed milk. This is just 2%, not 10% condensed milk, okay? Why I'm adding this? Because we are not going to be adding anything sugar here, all right? So I went in with some honey just to, to sweeten it up. Yeah, that's what I did here. You can't resist this oat chin-chin. Honestly, if you're a lover of chin-chin like me, you can't resist it. At least this one is healthier than the normal chin-chin that you know. So we are done. Set it aside. Of course, let me tell you one thing about this oat chin-chin. Because the more you leave it, the more it's becoming more harder. So I went into work immediately. When I mean immediately, so I sprinkled some olive oil. You can use any oil of choice on my work surface, and I cut it. I divided it into 4 to roll it out, just the way you are seeing here. If you want to make this chin-chin using oats, you don't need akike. You don't need akike. You need to do this with love, gently. When I mean gently, because if you are not careful, you're gonna end up without making any reasonable chin-chin. Everything is going to scatter, it's going to pieces. We want to make this voiceover so that anybody, even a new child that is born today, will understand what we are saying. So look at me. After doing all this, we have to cut it to our taste. And don't forget as well, I'm not going to be frying. Rather, I'm going to be using my air fryer. You can as well try it using your oven to make it. I believe it's going to come out perfect as well. Just check out. Very good, right? So I place in my parchment paper in my air fryer. Add some. You don't need to overcrowd it in the air fryer, just the way I'm doing here. Lest I forget, when you do this, what you're going to do next is you have to keep an eye on it. You have to be, turning it. Yeah, you need to be turning it just the way you see me doing here. I have to turn it again and put it back to make sure that everything is well cooked. Yeah, so I'm going to be repeating the same process until I'm done using them up. And please don't forget, after mixing your oat dough, do not keep it. Go into work immediately so that you will not come back and start, adding another milk or water to soften it up. Make sure you follow this process and you're going to achieve a wonderful and amazing and delicious healthy oat snacks. You guys should pardon me. Can you say Rozo, my returning subscribers? Hey, how can I? How can I? Oh, my beautiful returning subscribers, I love you guys. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Thank you, thank you, thank you, beautiful people. I am grateful. Thank you.
On display, healing slowly, day by day. Every slice, every stir, soft reflections of who we are.
Okay, now the hanya. Hey, guys, our Oat Chin-Chin is ready. When I mean is ready, it is ready. Will you be trying out this recipe? If you will, let me know what you think in the comment section. Honestly, I bet you on this, you will not regret this recipe. This chin-chin tasted so super good, super delicious.
Quiet glow, loving myself as I grow. In MIRA'S kitchen, we rise in peace, finding balance, sweet release. What I eat in a day so true, nourishing me, nourishing me.
So guys, at this point, our chin-chin, our oat chin-chin is ready. Very crunchy. Look at it. You can see oilless chin-chin. Yes, oilless, but tasted super excellent. Tasted super good. So for the measurement of what we use for this oat, I will be dropping it in the comment section or description box below. Alright, feel free, check it and try it out. Make sure you follow the step and you are going to come out with an amazing results. Okay, so look at me over here. I'm storing mine in my airtight container. No matter these children, they don't allow me chop this chin-chin in peace. So, but anyways, we all enjoyed it.
Flavor glistening, every meal a quiet glow, loving myself as I grow. In MIRA'S kitchen, we rise in peace, finding balance, sweet release. What I eat in a day so true, nourishing me, nourishing me.
This is so eye-catching. Now, what's a good? Thank you, my amazing people. Thank you for watching. So we have come to the end of today's video. I appreciate every one of you. God bless you all. See you guys in our next episode, in our next amazing recipe. I love you guys. Bye-bye.
Day by